gardens all morning. I don't know if you see this, but I see this. Friday, and that means unlimited Blinkies. I've got my darling pink bear. Fit today is giving Beetlejuice, and I'm a little obsessed. First Blinky on this fine Friday. Whoa, Penelope. No. Oh, that's more like it, besties. Fried on a Friday, mission accomplished. I know you see the difference between me now and me at the beginning of my video. It's gonna be a good Friday. Coffee fully tastes so much better after a Blinky. I don't know what I've been thinking all morning. I woke up late, so. Besties, I hope you have the best Friday ever. Stay tuned for more Friday activities.